You know, very stiff. It's a fix up the way I had.
Alright, young video, you know. Hi, good afternoon, good afternoon. It's not afternoon, I'm so lying. I'm just getting away with time. Okay. This is Mr. Scott over there. I'm at Mr. Scott's home. Where my brother over here is gonna work on his what you call that now? His meter, his water meter, right? He wants to lift it because it's way down in the ground. So, you know, anywhere my brother go, where work is concerned, and I can go, I go with him because I try and learn the trade. So whenever he's not around, I can fit myself in. Okay. So let I introduce you to Mr. Scott. I said afternoon earlier on, but it's really morning. I'm just rushing the time. Hello, good morning, Mr. Scott. How are you this morning? He's such a nice person. He's not another father to me. He lives in my block. And over here we have Mrs. Scott. Mrs. Scott. Yes, she's the cooker lady. Yes.
Where's the mirror?
When we have our block, we used to have a block breakfast every Saturday. And this is the lady behind the cooking. Put on your blouse. You don't want to see a sexy body. Your husband might just alone to see sexy body. So this is Mrs. Scott. Mrs. Scott, how is your morning?
Great.
It's great.
God thanks.
Oh, yes.
Another day, man.
Yeah. And you see what she has in her hand? Seasoning. Tell you that she had a cooker lady. This year dumpling, fried dumpling. I don't really love fried dumpling. I just eat out the outer part of it. But me I tell you, Mrs. Scott, fried dumpling. Ooh, sell off. What do you put in a fried dumpling, Mrs. Scott?
I can't give you the secret.
You can't give me the secret, that's true. Okay.
I won't tell you the secret. But I add a variety of things, not just baking powder and salt. A lot of things to it.
Okay. So, but you don't want to give it in secret. I see in the last video that I did with the seafood boil, the sauce, they said they're not giving her a secret. So it's not a secret thing. Also to do my hair, I did a treatment for my hair. They're not giving me the secret. Everybody's a one of things, so I don't know why everybody do them things. That's how I go anyway, but it's all good. And I'm gonna go over here where my brother is working.
Yeah, my land that when we just pay 1,000 to fix something.
But I'm gonna fix something very important because if you don't have your meter up right there and you have leaking, it's gonna be hard for you to detect. So he's doing a good thing. Your husband is doing a good thing. Yeah. So our lawn, yes, she just started our lawn the other day, right? Planting the grass and all of that, but you have some bad weeds there, which you're gonna get rid of soon. But my brother is gonna work. As I said, I always go whenever my brother is doing any technical job, I come with him. So I can no, not a supervisor, I want to learn. Because remember, when my brother is not around, you know, I need to can do it myself. So he's lifting that, so he bought some
Pipe.
so right, just piping alone he bought? Pipe fittings, right. He bought some pipe fittings. Me tongue twist up most times when I'm videoing because I don't know. Me just not love I'm a shy person, as I said earlier on. So Mr. Thompson, my brother's name is Lloyd Thompson. But family members and friends around the community call him Barris, and his close friends call him Scotty. But right now we have two Scotties because Mr. Scott, his right name, his surname is Scott. So he's Mr. Scott and my brother is Scotty, right, his pet name. And over here now, Paul is back with us, my friend that lives in the block, you know. I don't think Paul can do any plumbing because, you know, me tell somebody I have to go do it myself. If my brother not around, I'm going to call Paul, but Paul don't really know about the plumbing thing. So Paul, I think I should learn the plumbing thing. So my brother not around and me in difficulties, you can help me, alright? So my brother knocking.
Right. Does it could be a lawyer?
I could be a lawyer. Can we chat now?
You never say chat now. You say could I be a lawyer?
I could be a lawyer. I don't think what you want. The bag? Oh, Paul, you did the video because me soon fly out of here. I have to come close by. As I said, I have to come close by to see what my brother is doing. And Paul, him take over the video thing. I feel him think that. So, I'm supervising right now. Just looking. Because sometimes it's cut grass, but anyway, we have to go budget up back after.
But me I tell you, say this is important.
Yes.
Because when you keep dumb,
It's hard.
they just read, they just write it down.
Right, and any foolishness. Any foolishness.
I with Sean and as well.
You turn off the main switch already, brother? Eh? See, my brother know what I do, because look at me, I just ask me if you turn off the main switch. My brother know what I do. like a clapping me I work with. A professional, right? He's a professional plumber. And I can tell you about my brother, he is almost like Paul, you know. He does painting, welding, electrical, and plumbing. What else, Boris? He does a lot of stuff. He's very talented. When my brother comes to my house, Lord, I tell you, any little thing to fix, him just sit and fix it. And he's such a hard worker. I think it runs in the blood. It runs in the family? Yeah, it runs in the family. Him can work. Oh my God. What do you want? Double D 40? Eh? Oh, you see, there's something around for them here. We pull at it, pull at it. Just start with the double D 40. Yeah, loaded. And as usual, we have to pick it before it really and truly get fit because the real owner of them come in and they just strip the tree. Sometimes just go inside. As you reach back outside, he was looking at a mango, they come back outside, not a mango. The people just pick off the tree, pick off the mango them. I'm gonna tell you a little story. I have an ackee tree. I know my ackee tree, my brother knows my ackee tree. And one day I'm inside and I heard this noise around the back. When I came out, one of those guys on the tree. He said, what you doing on my tree? And when the person said to me, say, give me one some of my ackee. That's unreal. Oh my God. Don't let me laugh now. Or don't go on like it's not a joke. It's a serious thing. The man actually said, give me one some of my ackee. I never seen them my whole life. So, from now, you know what I do? When I see an ackee on my tree, if I can't reach it, I try to call Paul. I say, Paul, now better come pick off the little ackee. When I want open one, they pick it off. Because them boy, oh yeah, Mrs. Scott. Oh yeah, eat apple.
That's Mama Scott.
Put it for Mrs. Scott. Talk about things that Mrs. Scott.
The lady who make nobody go for hungry.
Oh yes, that's true.
And what? Best chef in Garvey.
Garvey need #1 chef. Any event, you can just call Miss Scott or you just link Jasset for all the info. And she locate you right to Miss Scott restaurant. Best chef.
Oh, and my grass talking now?
Mrs. Scott, the grass soon come back. You didn't see the back of my yard when the tree did cut down? You see, Mrs. Scott, round there was like dirt. When the tree and I did my roof. You remember, Paul?
That's it, come off my land.
Me not come off. Yeah, my back was like dirt. And what I did now, I just mulch it up back and water it and stuff like that. But truly, that soon come back and he's working there. I know you know that.
Oh, I'm going to root out.
When he just go and plant it, but Mr. Scott can't do that. And while Mr. Scott doing and take out the bad weeds. Yes, and mulch up.
Yeah, but like you want to get
What was there again? We have palm tree?
I'll get back one. Yeah, we go check out if you have any small one.
Is one like that? Can you have some palm over your house? I think I want to go wishy-washy one, you know. Run about. Can you give Mrs. Scott if she wants it?
Look like me. And the ones that come over here too.
Okay, so my brother is taking off the meter to put it, ice it up. So apparently what he's gonna do, I am just saying that, I'm not sure. He's gonna put some pipe up. So this one is called vertical and this one called horizontal. Alright, a vertical this, no can't answer me, but a vertical this and horizontal, so yeah. So he's gonna put some pipe vertical at two places, the right and the left. Then in the middle now, at the top of the horizontal, he's gonna put the meter right there, right? So that's what he's gonna do. So I'm gonna watch him to see if I'm correct. So he's scraping away the mud because all of the water that was in the pipe is leaking out. So he's gonna clear it out and connect the pipe.
Sweat.
It's very hot. The Mrs. Scott up there looking at our plants. Mrs. Scott, have you ever gotten any seeds? Oh, I have a few.
Yeah, just start the first bearing.
Okay.
First.
And you know I need one from it.
You know how much you're funding.
It's 3. I see 3. No, 4. 5. No man, a lot. But it's small. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
We have one on that box. You could have here some big one like that. The box set up for one.
Hey, just one for the year.
Yeah, because your friend, you know, say he had one over there. 40.
He's not good.
Take you from big one. Three.
Okay.
Wow.
That's not nice.
No.
Yeah, like it crack off. You know, see?
Yeah, some tree there.
And it break off right there. Like come see your one part? And some see break off.
Well, now put this something in there while it's still
Double
the outside while
That's best. You know what you do best.
one call on girl to get some chemical to clean the tiling, but one gallon. This one lock up with iron.
So Burst is digging out the dirt so you can get to put in the fitting properly. Right. Oh, so that's coming from the main. Oh, you see me learning, you know. You can turn on the main section. Yeah, there's a walk in the rock, you know. It's what you put in first. Not a T, that's not a T, that's a junk. What do you call it? Elbow.
Elbow.
Okay, so it's gonna attach the elbow to the pipe down there. Yeah, it really shaped like an elbow. So guys who out there who don't know what it is, look at the shape. That's how they came up with the name elbow. The bend. The bend. Okay. The
And
elbow.
that's the tangent applying to the elbow.
Oh. And it's a blue tangent. You have different color.
Waterproof tangent.
Waterproof? So which was the one before? You used to have another color. No? You never used to be blue. What they used to use, Barris? It's always blue? Eh?
All different colors.
Oh, they have different colors. So the colors signify.
This is a tangent. Tangent is tangent.
Oh.
This is
Indian and they selling a little
wet
piece of
or
pipe.
dry.
Wet or dry, eh?
that's
Buy a like a
PVC
piece of
cement.
pipe.
Oh, it's a cement. Oh.
Cement. PVC cement.
Cement, okay.
You might sell a 2 feet, 1 feet. So they selling that. Sometimes man have fix up, you don't want 1 liter pipe. When you buy fix up, you don't want a liter pipe.
No, so how much you can buy? Because some person say you can't buy
How much you will buy it first?
half yard.
This is 2. Sell by foot. Sell by foot.
How much do you have?
That is 2.
2 feet.
2 feet? So you couldn't buy one.
Yeah, you
One
can buy
foot.
one.
So why did you buy 2 feet?
About 1 foot can go.
Oh, that looks like a small. I want 1 foot go again. 1 foot at 12 inches. Okay, that's true, man. This is because it's a 1 foot. Me I think about my entire body. Whoa, yo, look at that. Crazy me. No, sir. Oh, Lord. Anyway, I'm learning. Remember, I said I'm here to learn. So I have to learn too, because I will not go for the job, them, you know. They have to come with me.
No problem.
I'm soon go for retirement. I'm going to go for retirement. I want to do things like these, like probably go in the community and need the ones. And for me to earn money, you know, I have to do little things too. So probably I can do plumbing work. And probably can do, I know I can do gardening. I'm good at that. I can do gardening. The painting, no. I'm not sure if I can do it that neat because I love neatness. So probably I would probably go with Paul if Paul is still around to do some painting. And when he paints, I will probably wipe up the area to ensure that we leave a clean place, right? And it's not gonna be hard. It's gonna up to me if I want to go when I retire. That's why I'm doing my blogging vlogging. So when I blog vlog, I can generate money from that. I can get up anytime and just come and blogging and chat outside the foolishness and get paid. Yeah, I want to do that, so that's why I'm doing the blogging vlogging with my friend. So when I'm retired, it's not far from here, I can just sit back at home as fun to Mrs. Scott. We're going touring, we're going to no, we're not gonna be doing that. No, we just go to and food come on the table. That's sort of liberty I want to live. So Jillian, life with Jillian gotta take off like our eagle. And when eagle starts, you know what that means. I done it done. So life with Jillian gonna take off like an eagle. So my brother putting on the things, the fittings, right? So he's twisting and turning, right? And around and around. So he's gonna use his tool to get it tighter. Right, Mr. Scott?
You think I tape it?
Yes, Paul is taping. Paul is a video man. He does a good job like with that. I can't do it. My hand tremble. As I said, I'm getting up in the east, so me and then tremble. So he used two of his tools, one hold it and one spin it. A wrench it called? Is wrench? Yeah. See, I know the name of the tools them. I'm learning. Alright, so as I said, he's gonna put a pipe vertical on one side, on the other side. So so he's gonna put up another little piece to the elbow.
So choose this connection there, sir. Do that. Put this connection in there, sir. So that cut off the pine cutter, sir. So we have to stand for this. This connection there, sir. So we have to make this stand with the elbow. Make this stand with the elbow.
You still videoing? Okay, I went inside. This is Scott's house and I got a bottle of water because I'm so thirsty. So Barris is still doing the pipes up. Alright. While Barris is fitting up that, I'm going outside the front of Mrs. Scott's house. She's doing a little cleaning up out there, so I'm going to help her. So I'm out there. They probably could bring the video and videos out there. And afterwards, we'll come back to Barris.
I'll go Patrick once. You go just sit down. You Patrick there, when you come here, you Patrick say 100. Body different. Right, I know you're right in there, so it would be.
Yes, I'm back. I was outside with Mrs. Scott. She's doing the break-in. But I am back where the plumbing work. The plumbing area. What's that? The edging? Paul, remember you are the gardener. You need to tell Mrs. Scott why it's not catching. Okay, I take over the video thing, so if you see anything messed up right here, it's going to be me. And as I mentioned earlier on, I'm not good at videoing. So my brother is using the elbow and a piece of pipe to get the thing, whatever. So he put in some dry wet blue thing on it. So now go over there to Mrs. Scott.
Come on.
Alright, Mrs. Scott talking about cutting and whatever. But I'm taking over to Paul and Mrs. Scott over here. They are looking at plants. Paul is telling Mrs. Scott what to do about her plants. Why that plant is dry.
Why you see, I mean, transplant this in with kids. Yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful. That's
And
beautiful.
this, the other one, one little piece me find, do that come up and see it.
Whoa, that's beautiful. Mrs. Scott, I don't have any other plants. Why not?
I mean, transplant.
Way by big up.
Them
Need
two
some more
parties.
style in it,
Yeah,
though.
they want more.
But here, at the more style is nice.
The very thick one. I don't like when it's thick.
Don't put no more this. You have to go get the
I
compass
see
one.
we see it, you know.
Get
You know
the
what,
compass. You have to go buy the one. And,
In the drones.
yeah.
Yeah, but this saying the real go buy one bag one day, but you never
Junes,
get
you
none.
know, see Junes, topsoil hour. Look at all grass, look at all dirt from the corner, then dig up and call it topsoil.
So which one I better one?
I know. Anyway, Paul, we're going to Camilla Spa to get some dog, ask them.
Yeah, and that a catch.
If Paul, we're going to Camilla Spa to get some,
So this a
Like
catch.
how you have days off, you can go down.
oh, I had a plan like that once, but I don't know where it is.
You soon come back, that's why it's still. Just dry up like onion.
Yes, yeah.
And come back and
This
don't
one.
dash the pot, yeah. Don't dash the pot, yeah, you know.
Yeah.
This is
And
like
you never see
onion
that, no,
flour.
but see pop up.
Onion
That's why you see, because I never know where they for a long
Okay.
time.
Mrs. Scott, she has some nice, they're looking so fresh and nice and healthy. And over here, and that's Paul, the gardener. Hi. Okay, guys. You heard Paul this morning behind the camera. So this is Paul. Show up your face with your handsome face. Woo! God. Okay. So Mrs. Scott, she transplant some plants over here. She said one of them are mine. I know, me don't know where my own said. Which one is mine, Mrs. Scott? You tell me say you have a plant for
See
me.
here, see that pot.
The one with my one looks so dead.
No, we just put soil in them. We never have no
It's
soil.
my own now.
And all this is that dead.
One man
Just a
one
ketchup
looks so
bag.
wishy-washy.
Yeah, it's a ketchup bag.
See them, Mrs. Scott said this one is mine. Look wishy-washy.
Any man. All this.
See them there, she did some transplant of
Them
plants.
are catch.
Right? So we all love plants in this block. Right?
Yeah.
And she has some more over there. Right? Yeah. And we're going back to the plumbing section because we're not really here to talk about plants and things. We're here to do the plumbing thing. And we switched a while ago, so I'm coming back to the plumbing. What you doing? Nearly mash up the liquor.
Alright, so
Swivel leg. Oh, okay. I told you that he's gonna use some elbows. So elbow. So I'm putting on a. Wow. He used a lot of elbows. So Mr. Scott says something gonna look nice though.
Let me tell you about Jass now.
It's gonna look so nice.
I tell Shana said again, so
Eh?
I tell Shana about it. You show
Okay.
verse yesterday. A verse, come look on it.
Where is the thing there? You have a filter on your pipe?
Yeah, man.
Where is
Tell
it?
you right with verse.
Where?
Verse put on a filter right
Where's the filter? Where's the
there.
filter?
No filter. No filter.
Non-return.
Return.
No, I mean a filter like you filter the water inside instead of getting the chlorine water in your home.
No try.
When it filter it. Yeah. You see when you come on my car porch and you see this blue thing, I know that's a filter. And Barry did that for me.
Just plug it in and
Yeah, him set it up nicely. It wasn't like that. The plumber before it wasn't like that. It was like low down.
every time you remember about plumbing, you should pay me.
Eh?
Every time you say plumbing, you should come.
It, no, because I know it wasn't coming up here. The reason why I said to you that, you know, because I don't like to
And you say, man,
use your brother.
use your brother, man.
I never knew he was coming. You saved me a lot of money, yes, Mr. Scott, and I really appreciate that.
You say, oh,
Yes.
your brother plumber, yeah.
I call him man to go to plumbing work.
Oh, man. You say, make him say no, man.
Okay, so
That's why I
guys,
don't think it's
when watching this video, in case you need any plumbing work, no matter where you are, if you are in Trelawney, that's where he lives. If you are in St. Elizabeth's, call Barris. You can call 988-5292. That's my home number. Or I don't really know my brother's number offhand because I try don't keep anybody's number in my head because I have too many things in my head. So I have to flush out some of the things. So all you need to do is check with Life with Jolene and leave a comment in the comment section. And you get in touch with Barris. Okay? So we have everything under one umbrella. We have the plumber, we have the painter, we have the landscaper, we have the hairdresser, we have the foot shawl and the hand shawl, we have the face shawl. I do face, you know, I do face. And we have the cooks. Oh, we have the cooks, we have the chef, everybody. And guess what? I'm gonna come with something real news pretty soon. I have the designer. Yes, I have somebody who can make clothes very well, especially African clothes. And a necklace. Oh God, we have this pattern, this family. We
See, grooming up our plants. These are all the plants we have. Fill them out. So each and everyone can see them. Life with Jolene. And as you see, plants are so beautiful, we have to take care of them each and every day. If you need plants, all you have to do is just Lil Park 324-2907. Get all the quality plants you need.
Anybody can put it some control on them. Nah, they ain't true. Not too far.
Yeah?
Put the water over and control it. And then anybody can.
True, so true. And this is our plumber. One of the best plumber we could ever have in the business.
You can push, you know, put something outside there. And kind of clear somewhere.
So as you see, there are so much talented people in one package. These are all our beautiful plants. We have an advertisement. So if you need plants, you know who to contact and how to go about it. And when we say plants, we mean plants. Plants with quality, plants with taste, plants with life, and plants with beauty. You need proper gardening to get done, you just call Paul. Or you just contact us on 324-2907. It's Pedley's Decorating and Lawn Care. This is a plant with beauty. As you see, that's the boss, Mr. Scott.
Yeah, me know, say
You
come.
can't take off this lock off.
Me know, say come up with it.
It's a lock off berry to come with the meter.
This is the plumber, reaching the finishing touch. of the work.
Anybody can control water so much. One time the man read the meter part. He said, boy, the low heat and so. So we know what talk about.
Well, the meter man has no problem this month when he come to read the water pipe.
Shana went off and read.